The syndrome, knee distal points. Knee. Because the knees are influenced by the kidney's energy, it is important to differentiate knee pain due to kidney deficiency from that due to painful obstruction syndrome. When it is due to kidney deficiency, the knee is usually bilateral and develops very gradually over a long period of time. In addition, the knees feel weak and possibly cold, especially if kidney yang is deficient. This type of knee pain is not affected by weather, and the knees would not be swollen. When it is due to invasion of pathogenic factors, the knee pain is more often unilateral, or it is worse on one side, and it starts fairly suddenly. It is definitely affected by weather, usually worsening with rainy or damp weather, and the knee may be swollen, which indicates retention of dampness. Painful obstruction syndrome of the knee often occurs from a combination of factors. Example, an invasion of exterior cold and dampness and previous local stagnation of qi due to an old accident. Another frequent cause of knee pain is, of course, local stagnation of qi and blood from overuse of the joint. This occurs in bricklayers, joggers, cleaners, etc. In this case, it is not strictly speaking painful obstruction syndrome, but it is treated in exactly the same way. The treatment of acute and chronic cases is not significantly different, so they can be discussed together. The most important factor to keep in mind when selecting points it is to clearly identify the channel involved according to the site of pain. Pain in the knee may occur in the front along the stomach channel, above the knee, inside the joints itself, or the inner aspect along the spleen and liver channels, and in the back of the knee and the popliteal crease. So, ayan po yung drawing. So, distal point. 3 distal point can be used for knee pain according to the channel involved. Spleen 5 is the main one to use. It expels dampness and being the river point. It affects joints. It can be used as general distal point for knee pain, irrespective of the channel involved. Gallbladder 40 is used as distal point if the pain is along the gallbladder channel. Stomach 41 is used as distal point if the pain occurs along the stomach channel. Thank you for your attention.